Jaba munya machi mama kwaba emfamra Adom TV so. Ene memneda. Nnawotwi Yi ebre and said one me live on Asempa 94.7 FM. Yes to me and so ewo YouTube Adom TV. Ubetim so should be live and so ewo Facebook or Adom TV Extra. And I say Asempa 94.7 FM. Medin the akwasi insian so ye run Nnawotwi fro emu. Nnawotwi mu se bebre na abesene atwam eko fitine juada ebesine yawada na ye afofida ewurade fiada ene memnedai ekoma baako pa eda bonten na obia eka ho asem bi eye #Occupy Jubilee House ya wona call demonstration no eto ne din #Occupy Jubilee House omnimu a police for confrontations ya ebaye questions ebimu ebisa nyina eye say this is not the first time a police for the team for a cambo and say ebi bu kompo kwa 2015 near a sea nyama for ebisa bi say so a police for control of crowd training no at say ewie payo say na etie ye ntide bia da empempen so se ekodura na amana kwako SMP ewo ye memu eno nkomo ye eba bedi afebo telte pa etai wona na etu sa na mo person ko Jubilee House no ye be de ho nkomo o masem tia no ho bo nyina se o mamu aye den ahoyehi a ho kire abagana na hye so abampen for especially president of the land entie Ghana mabunu na wonye bi emfa hom ena che electoral commission go so aye limited registration ehwe betimi ama Ghana na hye nya mfinhye dunwotwe ya for the first time afro mo di meba abato din krata so no enya kwanya atwemu edin ense bebre na apiepie ho ebimagusu eresi questions edefa biaya ye twetwe saa edin no yenya ye ne du befa enkontabu mum every day 1 ebesite 10 nipa dodo abato komisa atimi atwemu nyina edin emema dodo ayatwemu din emma dodo ayatwemu din emmabu na wotimi atwemu ni mabunu su kra no category from 18 to 20 21 to 25 iwesa ages ni nipa dodo aso for electoral commission atimi akava any samudu a ebata home asema akobi nso ono pusiga entokwabrane ekoma do so na pe ya jebre esen kunyere ba bedi kan say gbe de count ya ja comment ewo ye stream no ase no chebre ba mu a ye bi kwan atum na watimi afre eso a kire wadwe dwumedie is once again bidding the akwasi in Nnawotwi dwumedie yasa ma kwa babiem Oguso ehwe Nnawotwi live on so ewo DSTV channel 280 and a Go TV channel 119. Abejafo atna say Dr. Sadiq Aduchum fellow West Africa Center for Counter Extremism. Ewo Hadam Sanso and Akrobia George Krobia and so deputy director of communication dema NPP Amanyuku. Yehwe mu say Alhaji Naziru Muhammad Subekan or member of the NDC National Communications Team, for a deputy communications officer in charge of Zango Caucus. As well as cancer of Germany train enkumo. Enkumo dia ye di na no pe nyina efa #Occupy Jubilee House. Omo asem ya omo eka. Enkomo omo edi. Ententam omo ni a police for enyaye in their way so metimi enya omo way through e dia call Occupy Jubilee House. Here's our video, send ye demonstration no qualify.
Trafficking and before
Ene de tosu mienu a Occupy Jubilee dwumedie no ekoso nipa se ne mo hwe no onum a woye kire no na etwehia wa hanom a wale da tosu mienu ehihye so enra ye nyina ye nim ye si ya aposifo ekire wonum a na wodi etiaten no anim ekokogu mo ene ye won panimfo ba ku mienu bi ewoko nanim a ye pese ye no etwetwe nkomo
nze enim meeting kro so ni samkyerefo na ehia dia bia na no ene enim hwe
a statement amodi ababo ntomonsanka
na statement de unim ye phone wagege akoto baabi na woni ye kasa wo statement wo mframam ye hu ye ne meeting dia meeting ben ene ye demo ye wi Monday na person hia na waba bebi e woni ni na hia se ora na ya okasamafo other face the country no kan ye no in share area to a 3 days demonstration here ye call Jubilee House anymore ye continue for 3 days
yawo SDK ewa ha oba abafo ntenta social media dey am say onye obi a oye hofo wo hokra obi a enim no wode ne ho age oye kire mu bi epese ye ne twetwe nkomo
kuntia wa ama me wa say me so industry am wo mu no aya yi asesem ni ade no like yeah bre honestly industry ni I say go down ni bre ni katashi na the woman still are surviving the to aban ni omunye bibi man like omunye investment bi I don't know they can do things so make my bibi say make move my catch your money that so make me election time no make me the one night I road betting on be tale so aye bibi within one night 1 year okay dey make me nyama make me fix nyama pi
they say you're not necessary because at the end of the day, you know, we were trying to be peaceful and have a peaceful protest and speak our minds and speak how we feel because the way the economy in the country is going, we're all unhappy with it and we have a right to speak our minds and to demonstrate. Why do they want to take that right away from us? It's on my 4 pieces. Like I live in distress. I'm not happy. Yes, my American passports, whenever I feel like, but Ghana is my home. I was born here. This is where I belong. I don't belong in another man's country. I belong here, and I'm tired. I say, my bro, I'm going through the same thing people are going through. So I should be here, and I am here.
Okay. Efia me na was Adom TV na efia odo enso so said dem nim no Ghana celebrities no ka ho wo so wo bre wo man mu pa no nti
fo wote enti o hawo ene nhyeso ene amane ekoso man mu ha no yen hwanim gu asefo yen so yete ho nka ene etu anama ba say
home sweet home yes so be asheni home sweet home that movie no in the Ghana ada no better place for we to live ada and you are telling me and talk for yourself don't talk for the police police for majority of them no matter they say etinu akopam come material no akopam they give 2 million o ya ko top bobo yes no mu die doesn't good say almost say black here mamu bi they are quiet in their pain. A young in Omudia Juma, say to my people, my woman, Yabia, I was Saturday to do or could Juma the whole month. Night shift, almost some quarter to us. Migration, you could not 2 days for that. Let me tell you what, my dad is a they create the enmity between us. And I think they are thankful.
Now you can see police officers here.
Is that what they sign up for? They are suffering. And
you can see that some of them preventing us from even speaking to the protesters who have been arrested. Hi, sir. Fruits, come. That's how we should join them. Hi, sir. Can we talk to you? Fruits, come.
Go down.
Come, fruits, come.
Go down. He's a media man.
Come.
Drive. He cannot join the car.
Okay, you let me
Wait.
All right.
Joy News. Independent.
Eti ne ekosiye no from day 1 you almost start here Thursday eba ne Friday ne ekowie #Occupy Jubilee House demonstration mu no but the big question still remains a police for faso handle timemufu a oye kire abeye concern abeya de sunsu ye nyina ye komu as on mine. Doctor, mo chana pay.
Yeah, minua.
Yo, shey.
Gozi, ade achi de afi. Aseda na de be manyankopon. Me ma woni doctor so achi.
Yes.
Gozi ade na wose.
Man Doctor, I'm found chassis. Civilian police clash. Ewo demonstration. E bibia e betimi aye ho bibia na se ba bia durin de sa na aye.
Yo, meda wase na am say udin kan mama kwaba no me nchaminua me nchaminua penny ni dini mom na am
George
Krobia am say am tie her no but ni dini come to me na me nham ne edwuma so amoye ne team o say enya education kakra.
Okay.
I think say we share from 1990 ye be the third wave of democracy. In Yomani Bia, yedi egu akwemu a etumema ye democracy no anase kebima menke bi nhyehyeye no edimu no eye dwumedi ahorowa ya na eye police for especially because omo no are responsible for internal security. Eba ade a friend say demonstrations anase protest strikes ne nkitahudia timemufo ene police for no enya no entumi nka say enam chima ba kumienu bia ya esinti na say etorinti no ye lose hope in the process say ye betimi I encourage maybe their friend say demonstrations say protest and say police for no they are handicap they are not handicap. I think say their friend say emra ye de go akwemu a say di disadwuma no enum mom no say ye hwe na ye di ye tu ye na ye nya anobaba ya at the end of the day no ebema yenya positive signs are eche we say Ghana there is the beacon of hope. And no because say yenhwehwemu bi e fa their friends say security sector reforms ema ECOWAS through DCAF Geneva Center for Security Governance. Na adeba kwa ye hu ni say Ghana ye nhweso say na ye nhweso e de ma nhweso ma ye de ma amama nyina if say ye de some institutions be gu akwemu a eno amama abreni nyina no ye democracy na ye de edimu nti chima kakra ba eni kwan say ya ye ma na ye te say se beta frache ye hope ni nyina ye de ekọ but immom no ye nhwe say kwan be na be fa so a ye betumi ahyemu kana nti on that preliminary with sana meka all is not lost but sometimes you know when say demonstrations and kasa no sometimes say you too peaceful crampo a yeah un tumpo enti nyoma bi ase nti sometimes yeah na one or two infractions but infractions na ye ba no ye nhwe say be so brutal say bia ye be hwere nipa na say bibisa but definitely yeah nipa de mintim ho ase kakra betimi aba.
Okay, so for example we ni AC 2015 nam so kra ma abrante ba ko kra nani ehun eka ye ko wi akire odi efrem 2023 we are recording a similar one. Are we saying say intimi nsuye bibi enfrem ana?
I won't say I think yes should be from but let's deal with numbers and we share your SCAD a social conflicts and in Africa database. I almost provided data on some of these things. We share fairly demonstrations are cost, especially Africa. Brutalities no ain't too much in terms of police clashing. We know one or two incidents be a na intensity no and a emmanuel the escalate.
Okay.
Who putting into context 2015 and 2023 the dynamics will never be the same. Why? Because you share economic issues at the time and now we share economic issues today. And some of the parameters say ABA oba and that their ACT say you share you see after na COVID ebe hitting. A dear friend say amanaman omo Russia and Ukraine almost omo to call mo kun ama economic issues no I dial in this situation no and yet the same as maybe 2015 enti yen to me and because of obi losing any back on enti e bia 2033 insurance in losing and 2025 we share information sharing era no so it was not as intensive as today because endano right on the go BBC unya real time information but 2015 will not be like that into amount for no I am more informed into bibi kitu e bi kura touch mapɛ na obia ayeden aya aware e be fi say enya na ye ka ho asem into the say mmom yesua efiri mu no ene ne say the laws no you see your Public Order Act your the Constitution and all the other CIs and the LIs and all those things na emma adea your democracy no betimi ashekene and no say fa so na things the AC and no is some of the things are unfortunate but I don't think say because of that basically I can say we've lost all the things that we are supposed to do.
Baby, I would say as a security expert, be we need a dibambo and some echi. If we say a back crowd controller, your place for Ghana, I will who him dear sir.
Yes, omo nim dear. Nanso as higher institution. I never come remember obi so sort as and say. You see, every human institution be no. Enya den a chimoto bebem.
Okay.
What I say. But ye hwe say ye kɔ enum no. Enwoma be na de begu akoma ye betimi reduce saa enwoma no. Eno na say ye hwe na ye. Crowd control say every operation be a police for beko and say soldier for beko be no. Ye operation na be determine ne procedures and measures are edibegu akwem.
Okay.
Enti say share police for omoka control. I mean we hear baby to say the AC war I think Ashanti region Mary Fibrono ne din there. How that kind of shooting incidents sometimes they are more dispersed crowd na there no. What we are saying is as I said training no more say yesterday. Yeshe mokina say na be ombetimi aye more professional. But I think on the score of 1 to maybe 10, I wouldn't say the police has performed, I mean, abysmally or they are not doing some of the things they're doing. I think maybe we can give them fairly about maybe 5, you know, so that you be chimpe. If you say quite a first a bit me, attitude.
Okay, so there's one other angle. Maybe you might not be comfortable with it, but or say the count. The political nature of our police force, of our police service. A bit when they say. NPP was saying. So be a wotu and a mobi a man yekwes and a mutu no wotu no ne the largest opposition which can be ano. The NPP element, quote unquote, here what the police service no and you release you more and more. So when you're attacking them one, it rather tends to be say a NPP na when you're NDC near one no a daily. Same when a man for free so what happened in 2015 no. Quote unquote again, the NDC element in our police service. And you release you a NPP demonstrators. So you are dealing with your rear opponent. It has been a service personnel and a civilian being. Acquire 2 political parties fighting for themselves.
In uniform. This particular question, because you know why? I have been in uniform before.
Okay.
And I served for 10 good years.
Okay.
And 4 times and a farming.
Okay.
Maybe at the time, and I'm being very frank with you, I joined the service with the love that I had for Rollins. Because as a young man, when I see him, I developed that love. And I was always dreaming, say, I want to wear the uniform. And not just any uniform, but the Navy uniform.
Okay.
You get my point?
Okay.
But menya kunya ewo Rollins abreso. But menya kunya ewo for abreso. Now, uko training, na wo swear, wo kantemwa. Wo kantem edema the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. In that, by extension, is Ghana. Yeah. And he say, ye tnasi, na ye share aduma nyamedia ye in terms of democracy. Deepening our democratic governance na bebe ye bedu no na ye ba ba ye ne se edum pempensu bi na aban bi na ewoso na ye fa nkrofo bi omso mo ye timemfo so mbra mba ye adwuma enhye aye fen se bambofo ntare na mfa mba ye adwuma na ya adwi mu no ye perceive say at this very point in time omu dwumedi omu di no because they are aligned to a certain political party, I think we will not be doing ourselves good as a nation, and it is a situation for disaster. And I want to see say obi bi ohwe bia enyi sa notion no emfiri adwemu na yehu ni say if there are excesses within any of the security agencies are in their operations are kwan be na ebe fa so te say na esi wa shaman nkrofo e kan say enye ne de enyan nti sa excesses no kwan be na ebe fa so we will deal with it. I will want to go for that because enye obia ne tumi say wo President Akufo-Addo na ewo so nti na sa wa faw na ebia BBC na yese monko na monko operation na obeka say ye farming ene mpo se mpo minua krobia kra na oboa o ma wonya adwuma na won ka say ye krobia na wabo no ye bi oye deputy MPP communication party member ntino medwumedi amikodi mikodi na me de aba be hye nenum. That is wrong. And so na ye ka say ye di nkra na fa training mu a we should be able to remove that partisan political ideas in free team. However, it is not wrong for a police officer, a military officer to belong. But if you read from the CI 76 now, regulation, I think 82. Okay. A chair will say, so when you are in Shah, openly, men declare alliance to anybody. Who alliance is to Ghana, the general well-being of Ghanaians, and no, and the most important. And no, I say we are minia ba, we are minia bemanasa, we share post attire, we share soja attire, we share ni fund excuse so Ghana the first on your list than any other destination. So that is how I want to put it.
Yeah, but never share the reality and the myth. Say me famano fafa enka say we were party A and our party B. Yeah. But me trim ni makume mu no me ye adwuma party A and our party B. Kwa be na betimi afa so beti sa ade na da entity be ba ho no ebiem. Probably abako de
abokomini am sure.
Ha, Nnawotwi. #Occupy Jubilee House. Captioned #Occupy Julobi House. Please civilian confrontation.
Was he? I'm in chair Ghana man penny. His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Na I'm in chair na BDH Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Yura Compreko Kennedy Japan. Dr. Nnawotwi Yi. Okay. And me ame papa Honorable Adenimu. Emi sempanifo na yin na omugina ye party na na mu na o ma pretu media amaye. Me ma me owo me so hwe ya no pai. Me ma me de adisipukia. Obi kuruma kiasi ya no pai o hwe me enapa me manachi. E wo feed kesi so. Because unze me baby ya na me boss adawro we mesere wada roma. And the MPP membership dues no so ho abehia ye. O hwa 2024 elections na ye kono. Ye hia sika. Because politics, Dr. Nemebe Yadwin, the resources and your politics. It's your party banner, your constitution, and so can one say to be a member in good standing. I will say you will be a utria dues. Okay. Teneme de akonya we so sre party ma ewo efie ni amanone. A chichini benche ni na say. And you know, because you don't need to travel to any constituency office to be able to pay your dues. Yeah. Fa phone keke. O fa phone Obo star 920 star 270 hash. Membership category near 4. Either obeso a bronze member, from 2 CD, 5 CD, 8 CD, and 10 CD. Okay. A bianso obefa biano, and a party, national treasurer, general secretary, and national chairman Adaroma. Party no ayen shishaya. Dues na wutuana, a bema direct benefits. Okay. You go so every package, a life insurance policy. Be attached to each category of membership. Or be we party adwuma na we ni betoa. Because of say we a member in good standing intino. That policy I mean say di mu a mpanifo be pound to man am a party for auxiliary. The best party ade share say platinum on 10 CD. Okay. You all good silver and a bronze from 2 CD to 10 CD. Okay. You open bia na what choose. Because police civilians you see the right to demonstrate. Oshe Ghana, before the coming into being of the 1992 Constitution, there was this Public Order Act and a Public Order Law. And there is a lawyer for it. You can't hear from one of their chair.
answer na constitution ekura Ghana for ba beji 1992 constitution atum no na ye mamu ha enhyehyeye ana emra ewo kwan a ye fa so pese unni aban nya adwene adwumakuo bi mentime ho ase pese obroni beka say wo ye demonstration ana wo ye march to register your displeasure about a decision of government and any individual group. Even one person could have the right to demonstrate. So we in the MPP as a political party in government, sir right way a writer, idinini. Okay. And any attempt by anybody, say or be undermining this particular right of Ghana for no, MPP as a political party will not support it. MPP in opposition, we had several demonstrations. Now, you boom compon we will not sit here. I will not make my studio have a neutral, equalization. Okay. Because you both brakoye. And now, baby, I gonna could do no. And ya ensen fata, mwama can be mamin kabi, I dear to say, no, ye de, ya man yourself no fapim no. Manin conquer in Yanano. Because I was here in IAG2 na ye de triachi. Enti no ehun ko hia se meka se emre bi atwam MPP for let my vote count alliance ge David Asante ne mrante na omo peprepre ye e wo ya bato nhyehyeye mu no ye nyina ye no kwan ya de omo fa so okrom ha emre bi a NDC for MPP ye say ye ba mu ya da demonstration be kaya ye ru asamia oku na bi no ni ade. It was not pleasant at all, but that do not also mean say because the atwemu no ekwanya ye de party for efa so no na enye kwampanti ne no sebi o ye de Ghana de hye bi afasa akwan ne so na akwanya wo say obeka say pepepe no the see ye no I wouldn't want to rush and make judgment say obi ye ni ya na obi anyene but ye nyina de ani ehu and even here IGP intervention quickly or the aba watimi share organizers no it means police no any demonstrators now they are on the same page kakra mekana I am grateful Dr. Odi Kankasa utimi se na adwene mu ebobew. This is how the communication should be. You see, when we are discussing matters of security, because say you didn't come for bambo ho enye bibia na etimi de ya amanyosemu. Okay. Because at the end of the day say if oman no bambo no ensem no eji nsemu a ye ni police ebebo MPP for ho ban yo because any police ebebo NDC for ho ban and ye just studio ha no say ye pie na kromu nyoa ye ni wo so ya kwasinsi ya Adom reporter and ye ni say me George Crop ya Asante me kasama MPP Dr. T obi abenya ne chefan wo it eduru mrebi na ye discuss ya na ye din koma fa bambo any oman nchechire no efa bi a eye so critical very critical sensitive as communicators I was say guided kakra I was say hwe ya no kasa no because me tia ya make say because me ni hwe but ye won edoma omutie mi ade meka bia no mugidi say no kre ye omofra mrante ne maba wa omo nso asisu amanyose mu a omo no wo ye an inspiration to them ne wo beka kire omu bia na ne wo de wano beka bia no omu firi sese ne tia netie etika me betena ha mi bo mitiri mu pose mi ba betwa atro adi akohwie agu oman ne ho fin saa na nipa bi befa ne sese na oman ne tie but me nia e wo mu se no kore ne mamu ayedin e wo mu se no kore eniema nti sese ne netie no but Ghana far better than a lot of other countries. Enti asem no ba ko bi betomu a ayaye nsusu emma ne nyese ase ejada oman nu akwasi emwaye nyina and I like the way Dr. Efa enkomodie ni presentation no the way all can asem no Ghana Police Service kwasi they are not bad o oba and now Dr. menene ya adwene say your police no the way your police nete okrom ha no sudua de man bebre nti se chima kakra eto oba bia human institution nipa akoye nipa adwuma no enya abribia no mu benya omu decisions ni nyina right and our actions need are right. But they are important. Near who here na esefata say ye can say police to an amobina as temamufo. You feel an amo police to ye no. Ye no omo enya adwene wo ho. Ye ni enso ne police ye na. Ye wakwanya say ye timi edi hu nkomo. Ye wakwanya say ye kire ya adwene. Ye wakwanya say ye tenetene ye police because we had the 1992 constitution e bi dem anim ha ya. Di adanse you know talking about the police service. Yeah, police force.
15.
Yes. Chapter 15 talks about police service.
I think maybe it should be a police force. Service. Yeah.
It's service, it means police will say Ghana Armed Forces.
Yes.
To read now, obey before complain. I want the idea different, but it's service.
Yeah.
And the word service, some obi. You are providing service to the people. And we are moving to now service with integrity.
Yeah.
Mesre, you see, yes, we know money. The same public order law, a shame crime, say, any institution, any abiding adwene, ye work when you see a team who go mountain so, now ye to me, ye children. The same law, no, and so actually say, and she say, any acquire your first or a year or your children. I was he said, Emraba. You cannot pick one aspect of the law is suitable to you.
Yeah.
Now I know they are all pretty. Then the other aspect are more responsible because I say rights goes with what responsibility.
Yeah.
And you know, all right, but you also have a responsibility.
Yeah.
What you say? It you know I may want to empathize with yenuanom na omoye omonhyehyɛ say omo bɛkyerɛ omo adwene na a police for no ni omni ne say and okwase be omni ne say omanya ye wo no because nya ba bia na obetimi akoye oye kire.
Yeah.
They make not ya say.
Okay.
And enya Ghana nkwa na san hyehyɛ ne wo. Ye wo places bebre wo a picture kra untimi twa wo ho because of the sensitivity. You say a security zone.
Yeah.
Because we talk with Nabema company ma kwitwa pictures.
American embassy grant to be travel.
American embassy grant untimi twa pictures.
Netherlands embassy won't be travel.
You get it. It is a opportunity be say ya yen church ye ho ade. Say the recurring of some of these incidents no NCB. Because ye embodying and perform omo say the omo ye ne eye. They are at no fault.
Yeah.
Then they will be embodied. What you say? It is about time where you have opportunity now. Much as we may want to condemn some actions of police, no. So doctor mentions that we need to educate our people. And then I say, Obi and I say between me or when to a chinchina demonstration with Jubilee House. Jubilee House, police say there are a number of security installations. You can't say a security zone. So I say 15 years say ya earmark baby say a security zone. There's a good reason why because a high security zone. And if you want to demonstrate that, what are the rationale? Sabi obotaye utrimu pop opese wo de ye oyekere ne sede. Opese ne ye hya obo how e wo oman num na opese wo ka. Enti Jubilee House nkwane baby a betimi akwa kire ne ye hya obo. That's another question. If indeed we mean so well, say you need adwinimu pofufuro bia na ye botaye nyina ne say ye pese ye ma ye man panyini because ye studio ha ye ka sende ne ye beka gu frama mu bia no man panyini aso edoso obete
ebi a almost afa ne say empani o kasa say onsasimo ye ni wa preka so jina man panyina kasa ni mo catch na chen no chance na ebi a man panyini
so there are so many ways any demonstration and our person they communicate it to my pen. One of the means.
Okay.
But if you means no, our choose no.
Yeah.
Police almost they provide the bam on a country will say. Sir, biaya opese okokoye with demonstration no. And where security zones. When yes you me George Crop ya santi ameti hey. And America and your work since yana se binu na shiro alaji da bi o late. Wa bai and o kala ja kwa ba. Zuni yana no obobo mi kakra ba ti fa fresh. You know, the police is there for all of us. So you lose confidence in the police service. And there is nothing like, because there is nothing like, there's nothing like NDC police or MPP police.
Yeah.
Yeah, what the Ghana Police Service. Okay. In fact, so you're professional. That's you show police at Talia. They also who are arguing say and yet MPP and NDC for now small. In any case, any MPP for second editorial. Yeah. And any NDC for second editorial. Yeah. Ghana for taxes and editorial. And to own as an individual. I consider you make a say so being pushed to 2% kwa bonia. Okay. I also who say Udi. What's the make a sure. But here by mention of just crop ya something or crack it rings a certain bell. Yeah. Obiakas this is a family name. Actually, if you crow ya come. If you crow
but see George. O can say nema mbiso be say and then I who say occupying Jubilee House enye and I say a yadia ye name that because for example you know I can say me say see man not be doing pen so be say NDC fee say MPP ye way be yensu ye baby MPP co position ya no so ba say NDC ye way it yensu ba be ye way be a he fa na ye draw line aka kire say afraid ye enough. It's enough.
So that is the angle I'm going. You see, one thing I'm here say me discussion with share. I imagine say me I don't want to even be misled by example be a chemwa papa. Okay. Other than that, there are a number of references I can make. But to what extent? How useful? And as our references now we're making. Yeah. Now we want Ghana Police Service Omobe acting in a professional manner, regardless of who is in government or who is in opposition. Say, ochina bi me George Club ya santen kwa akra no. Be free say aban hye bi odi aba me ne aban bi nya adwene ame. Me timi ho agwa abonten so a na me follow the due process and a procedure. Meaning say my safety is guaranteed. Okay. That is the conversation now. Okay. It could happen in a previous administration in the past. And I'm on to be say course. Obinum nyakwanya koye oye kire bi sa e the seat of government. Bia na yani ma ye ho so. It could be wrong at that time, and the fact that it was wrong at that time means we should allow it to happen. Okay. Then we are not learning. Because the mfonso atwam no. Se ye ka say because emre bi atwam no bi ye bi. Ya nka ne hwe. Enti na na me ye bia. Me de ye beka me hwe dia. Na then we are not ready to learn as a people. Okay. But that is not the point. Any person here, sebi mpanifo bu bi say okwase na ensesa na adwene. Yeah. Bebo ana. It has of mine no. Yeti. There are a number of decisions and she bebre ni anamonto bebre yetu asoman a. Ye yan ka say ye retrospective analysis and you say giving the hands of if we have the opportunity to turn back the hands of time. Yeah. A number of some of these things and okay. That is the angle we need to take the conversation to. Okay. And you see, everybody saying so, enipa bebre exaggerate. Rumors bebre. It mean I will entreat Ghana Police Service. Okay, almost statement on the by a number of reasons. Almost say if obi were evidence actually say somebody and answer among the demonstrators no be how they were manhandled and answer you brutalize will be no evidence on Famra. The police has issued a statement in that respect. Almost urge the police. So be also and a two almost actually prefer say enipa na almost arrested about 48 people no. The same day na not a single person was put behind the bars. Yeah. We can have a conversation around the conduct of police on the very day. But you're careful. And my young say because of the accident, your Ghana Police Service it is not say
George Krobia, Deputy National Communications Director of NPP Amayokono. Alhaji Naziru Mohammed Atanase or Deputy National Communication Officer in charge of Zango Caucus, the NDC Amayokono. First, my calling so I'm one of the conveners, the Democracy Hub. Listo Nanapoku and Kwache and Komo. Day 3 of the demonstration. Baswana say Omahudu Nana. Watch out pay Eba now change media so.
Yeah,
Boko de. Senaka said you need demonstration. I say.
Debbie, that you are way there. Yeah, Boboy home. Into Afina. Yeah, Boboy who are chain a domino, a cuckoo, yeah, 37 on a city and on a.
na say metiase yi a enne day 3 de beba so
baso den
but na me ka say se mu ni IGP ehia mu anura no mwate mu ase se mo draw up road map bi na ka mo de akọ da foforo
ipacho entisa
okay
entisa le say protesters bia sana ombeti omuhu egu mountain so no my your plans that a factor in every item bia hu here and I say be here say I will say yafa police ten bia no people try, institutions try to usurp the power of the people. Police, be a organ bia or a civilian, and son, a yes in uniform say, we be no person lawyers, we be no person doctors, or mono, no some per se, or mobile, yang a man for need to move for home by. And the police, and then the two man say, yeah. Sebi ye o manfo a enema eha yen a enunti ye koye oyekira tinte sukoko akira ban no sa police fo ebe ye o magin say omo na ebe kire ye kwan a ye mfa so enye oyekire no enye police adwuma no enti the meeting that was called by the IGP in the first place was wrong. It was just a face saving mission. I think say I'm one na M1 ya de pa na yemu odin pa enya de boni wi na umewie ma magina ho nye se na fe de mekra me engage omo. No, you don't put the cart before the horse. You do the right things at the right time. IGP proved from day one ya can say ye be oye tree. We have seen the way one misconducting any the service no we or down on sebi or yet the plain way we are see we more and what say ubi yet sebi a hinted PhD a pumpkin emasa or yet no because a fundamental human right there can't be a fundamental said that foundation you are so and you know right to protest. And now every other right, Bia, Ghana ni Bia wono. And who here change any other thing, I will rem. And so we are pumping, a nipa kwan, say, oh, ma nipa enya or yet. Now, what the near maybe, a friend is saying, Nada Quanso, a friend is saying, and you may be by pumping, say, if you are quite a mobile fast no. And I said, baby, Corona Mokono, a young Penesa Mobecoa. And no, we said in previous Jubilee House, yeah, king. I near say Jubilee House. O Pian said, oh, yam penny for ya power almost say almost some yang, and a year tomorrow, a year obi officer, no, and then the private home. And yet, officer, or man penny, and in a poundful, a honumna, sebi, Remuno, or when they are the servants of this country, or when they are some for. Now, sebi, me, my father will be so on some, you know. If a corner cotton baby, also me, a honum and the office. Who will say a honum, and yadia me no, me won't find say, Naco. If I just have same way. You can walk him, ewo, mrabim.
Okay, eti, nana, yan shade. A dakura na mubo mu 3.7% call occupy Jubilee House no. Ebi mu raise question ewa won say sa da ya wada no na ya forfida. Ya office of the president no ewa sa holiday no ebi. Eti na msim pese mo occupy on mo come nsem ne chairman penny no. Abre oni pefa se mampeni na sofu ye adwuma sa Jubilee House no. Omo merge more on that Thursday. Na mo se mo kwa catch the wine.
Yo. The edikai afofida no na a very significant day. Okay. Na yem kroma birthday.
Yeah.
Ena obi anso nim say yanka se ye kwa akoye ye kire ne da kope. Ye dia afofida na ye nim se kroma na ki o man we see ho no. A symbol of you say yenko na enkroma birthday yes saya for fitay yenfa ma enkroma wonya de baby ko ehu se ne man na oja ho no ene nipa bonfo bi a yen yesusu se enkroma vision na wo te bebo man no omoamoa ma enkroma vision na nkoso no enkroma kodana da kamera mu no ontie no ohu se dan a odisi wo ano ye ne office ye jolobi house esi no omra no omhe nechi into a symbol of yes no they too enra na eno so enya holiday
yeah
nim so man pani ni ho in fact we knew say on man pani by the time I be cause ada no ni ho because just after we went to the police we got to know what was happening in his office and we were prepared say so ni wo krampo ye say opening ni wa tifuni wa pejafo ho entino they are aware. But to have gone through what we have gone through, no, is something that I think we need to sit up as a people. There are people that I think we say positions a crowd mono, and you're superior to the people's power. No, I don't because it's sad that I quality. Okay, no, very significant for us. I was say a man chromati and cafe nema.
So on that Thursday, no more expected say penny be a Jubilee House.
Say a holiday and say abankese ni nyajuma. Anya ajuma. Le momuno. Akwa say you can have a full staff. And you say police service holiday omo ye ajuma.
But nana say holiday the holiday o. And amaka tell say holiday dry na presidency ye che ejmefo mienu emebiba.
Yeah, sada no krampo no. Na ye call occupy hono. Okay. It was just for a reason na be who say enkroma birthday na a holiday no. And a ye kon kroma na bank esie mu a osi ye. Akobo na mane say ne ma ewu ne ma ya fish. Ntine hia ye papa.
Afa ya hwe tie se muni police for clashes no. Modi hu komo amana kwakọ wie say day 3 twaso a yen hwe no say ene de be far better than ye hu no day 1 nana.
Oh, me gidi say nipa bia no say oya ade ne say anye yi a e bia ode aniwu esesa na brabo.
Okay.
Enti me de me gidi say minua IGP obesesa na brabo na waye what a professional bema sebi the lost glory now onwa are committed to the police service no ebia ombetimi arigeni the lost glory me ogide say nipa de we am from so na wu na opese wo tentene wa kwan a obetimi atenetene na yeguso a ye mobilize o hwe kura me ne kura sikatra but dom no aguswa eba
ya kan say ya mode sa nchihye egu akomdi ama a police for no moni mochitafo de bia kasa me say yes list we na napoku ewodin onko ya de asebi bakoku de din ho efi ba bi ni say sa na list we betimi aka de ama obi bia wo ba demonstration bi moni mo members ni so ahia ade kuma akira mo say mi enko ya de be kwaye abufoshow na nkofa enchiwashu bi afama
because the idea about what I was saying when he said, "We demonstrated beyond way peaceful." Because we bet me I said them on more wakra, on you bet me a
yeah.
The obetiasia bontino only sabon that. Most of the cases are SC about demonstrators say, Omako say, Omako train, Contiba, Omaye Bibi Boneno. Most of them no a policy for now necessary. Omoni from my provocateurs. Obekaya arise Ghana yeah demonstration. Omo also that tension between police and civilians na cameras capture you know. If we are saying no na ya police for a ebinum kra ya adwuma wo doko police station. Sanyo mano protest be anyone mo a oye obi a opese oye bone. Because opese oye bone a ye mfa protest e na ye bone. Eno ye mo hu da ru obi anu a okoye bone a okra. Enti no da bia ye ka kire omo nso nim. And as I say, no, post in Muno, Obi nia womu, policy for nya obi on me Burkina for Yako for my befra. Debbie, enti no ye de ye kokọba ye kan ni say police for no se obi ye bone e kan ye ho a omo nti nipa kro no na mom so omo ankasa ye bone na omo sa stage ti say the omo ko stage arise Ghana demonstration e ya omo ho aza provocateurs e be provoke nipa omo e demonstration no e sa cause that tension and feud between us now ebi Asia and police for no, they should mark it on the wall. We shall always meet them squarely and then let the world know Omusubai Omodetigana.
Listo and Anapoku Major Mwako. And now share President Anado Danko for the 101 at the end of the catcher.
Mekashen is a coming quank Gunya or mining to one good or mining who fin on one who fin. Some Tiawa Mekashen, I don't know.
This one must make us pay.
Yes,
Listo Nanapoku, a convener, one of the conveners, the Democracy Hub, a Koya on person occupy Jubilee House. Na waka wansem erekyere mampani na nado danko akufado ede na aban. Omo asem nyina etia wane se ahoyehia aba Ghana adehye eso. Ghana for ehuna mane. Quickly share the police and demonstrators confrontation bi. Ye wi a ye komula ye badam ni Alhaji Nazir Mohammed atu akomodi so. Esa makwa bebie wa wadi no dem wa ni nso a owo awia 12 enumere 6 e be sa bo number so fro enti koso de twa na be wi ni game of chance o wi ni nso a eye bobroja ba se ne ye di kan amamo ahwe dada on your TV any social media handles no ni abeto dwa say former MP for Bantima and former CEO of 2M Express, Honorable Daniel Ochem Abuaje, Echireni Ashabai, were free mu anope. Nyame enfadekra ensie. Yema abusunya, yema emba, yema oyere, yema NPP, yema Ghana nyina yako. Munye ne nyina so yedwem. Se oni mona mokoko Ochem Abuaje a ono eneda so no. Honorable Daniel Ochem Abuaje, or a good friend of multimedia, especially Adom Brands, Adom FM, Asempa FM, Inshra FM, Adom TV. You need this house was but you see a walk radia and qua ain't to be angel. Honorable Yamin Falkra in C. Yamodikai and so. A very good morning to Dennis Krobia Asante, no na school. Our presec, a product of Free Senior High School. And no, we free wakasa papa. Obi bia e wo so we sure the best. O ma trim kwanso. Say we exams beba na watcha ye ya utimi. Ato aso akwenu. So congrats. We first phase of life. Aka second one. Alhaji Nazir Mohammed, a deputy communications officer, Edma NDC America. In fact, he is in charge of Zango caucus. Alhaji Wakori.
Zango.
Yes, Zango.
That is a correct word. Zango.
Eje Alhaji.
Alhamdulillah.
Ni wache.
Ai ya shaho na ejuma no nse wo ha na esesa sesa. Na edo wa fa bibi foforo. Eza so wo position a o wadwundwe nyina na se ne obeya aba power.
Okay.
Enti enyira fa ko. Power. Enyira fa ko be power. Enti Senate yaro no me din chair so mbo be ma afefo na ma science wasre. Em say me ba no na me kwae no nsu na to ndra na nti. Nso dua bi eto esi kwae no.
Okay.
Ama na fire service na police for twitwa nje wo say me kofa kwae tin asa. Ma be do no ntina ma ni elite. Me sre yem fa ncheme.
Okay.
Na Ochem Abuaje Madam for Bako Pano, MZ True Juma Wiana, ACI.
Okay.
Mekai Nimre as one of the spokespersons, Emma Omampegina Nadu Danwako Fado, Abino spokesperson on economic.
Yeah, finance.
On finance and economy. Na Auburn homebody ye. Yame Ayenedia. Inti, ye can say, my MPP for Kusa, Yama Womo. yako ne ebusua nyinaa. Back to the issues media me say me nuanom raise the salient point. My lady there me bonu kuku na chese ya tumi atwa adwuma no so. Claire say ene ye ka say ma yenka enkoye ne say ebia aban foforo abanti nyoma nyina asesa emra ya debu man under former President Rawlings as the first republic of the Fourth Republic, first president of the Fourth Republic. And nona ya debu man ebe pemonde akufo be femu yefeze at Mills John Dramani Mahama na ye ne Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo nyame adoma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abesan babiu na samra no ensesai nti se yehu ensesai ewo woni a ewo se wobo emra no ho ban a na ye asem a ewo se ye nyina no ye hwe ni yi esai se ye tuoman mu ha ena policefo etimi etna simpie so eka kire Ghana fo nyina se wo mu de wo ye MPP policefo enya asem a anka ye asem a ye wo se ye didi agro na se ya omo aka na saa na yehu ni se wo mutu anamu bi nso a omo anamu ntuo no eye bibia ebeboa MPP fo a na a very serious risk ema yen democracy hwe media mechanic bia say democracy anasa kameba menka bia mambu ate sent kra no a yesen amambu a say nipa baako ade tumi no nyina be hye ne nsem na waka say soldier aban say civilian government no the rebels be ba beje o man no say dan you ni nyina no tumi ni nyina kra ne nsem no ope no e no oye ama wowo bebre enhu wo mo kanko esai saa tibia wo mo eye hwehan ma chese o man no ekom na se ye ka se ne be ya ye be boy yo man no ho ban so a na ye nyina ayasede enye se eye NDC everyday se demonstration a ye na eye NDC for na eye anka NDC for na eye anka ebia na ye de propaganda na ya pe is teach you media houses being so no more for yasem na asem no bebi eda no na ya dani akoto bibi because NDC ni John Dramani Mahama we enye NDC for but the critical factor na say me no wo ekase wo kire yen video no kakra ye si wo nti se police for hwe video we na wo mo be ka kire wo se unim se ya molest obi a be ka kire yen ya na wo fi se police for no be di no kure sa video no na ye hwe no me hu kura no me hu media person baako a ye Bridget Otu a ye tete na ya ono je red no ye tete na tare uhu enti atare ne ye tete ye no Bridget Otu ho na ohunu e na atare ne tete ye enye bibi nti na ma atare ne tete ye fitindra ye ka tese news no nyina de ba na wo mo kire se na tare ya tete no na eye obi na te na tare one year what in Atari and so definitely won't be the demonstrators because one woman and them. Into one at in Atari, now we'll be catching them and say, so wouldn't say a ye be out there, Fabrana, young woman and Fabra. Maybe some question. I buying MPP, I buying we. I catch it and say, well, one homebody at the cameras, I'm a police for. One number, we won't say police for any be, as a cameras or muti or mohoni. Ebedu pempen esika kese ye pan ye de koto sa nyoma no ebedu pempen so bi e ma ye ka kire say ye digitization e wo man ha enti e ba ne say na demonstration no wo hu ne say nipa ba kokra police ni ba kokra che cameras no or the name what do they intend to do at then on person mudisi o man for cameras rank ho ye nim for a fact say a police for ko no obi enu o share uniform na camera bom ni bia na say sana yesusu debut o kire me videos here yes video na o kire me won police ni bia camera na bi share maybe say nya camera ye too open for say easy so be cameras no mo channel we all know those cameras e bi ewo wo mo helmet so ahowo bebre e bi wo na tare so o camera no e bi e button no na me say o camera no you can see that this is a policeman with cameras so wo ti he wo ka kire me say wo hu policeman with camera wo yes antroni and I work at them and say central for more representation or more catch say or more police people with camera. Catch them.
There be a chance.
We are not assuming we are not make over catch them say na police phone and yeah be some America. But see near me man call demonstration
okay.
But near me no and America.
Okay.
Ade a woni kire me no eno na America. Say me hu cameras no. Cameras no so ba ho obi anim. List of women a demonstration. They are not what be sawum. Say nipa bi ba ho na so police for ni bi ba ho with cameras ana. Cameras na eto and date na eto ye. Be to ensure say na anka police for kan kire ye civilians say ye nim say molestation because so ye be ka kire hom and ye reporting kire hom. Anko man ka say hu edu ho ana mo. Inti denti and I am fast cameras and uncle.
Okay.
Now, the issue with the police, that party, or yet then crown one, MPP for 2 on when you see the sooner day. My men can be being I will say, oh, yeah, the best thing. Now, I'm running back, no more say, oh, yeah, then crying for one qua. Ghana for back Kyle, with the fact to say, oh, yeah, IGP, I'll be now announced when my noon soon tea. Ya pa mo kra fi adwuma mu.
Okay.
I know you better say we be ka say we be protect we adwuma. Na we tie MPP for na ma koye bibia emfa to say
you say na adwuma na o protect ni adwuma na wo ye.
Na ade o ye ndura no that Thursday demonstration no. Na adwuma emfa part of na adwuma mu. Na ma no kwan say obi be demonstration na o de no court. Na we tie court no asem a I was so okoche no. Emfa laws ben den na ma no kwan ma no yes sir. Enti it is a MPP for say on di mwa wom into obeterom so obedi aboa wom into oye bibi e di aboa wom but you see to round it up
okay
ade ba kun se mienu bi e na rhyming in all the your friends say one more kasa wo rally na say
okay
and a very important to say ye be kai say won say ye ka say e bia na omampanyin ni ho into omokọ ho a omokọ ye de no you see wars have ears into a more country wars no.
Okay.
Now I record that to one more penny. To oba beti. But at some back one, a rhyming in all the your friends saying. One more kasa.
Yeah.
Say interview, so more TV so more woman you now send me no more hardship, general hardship, any corruption. General look, there's not a single individual matter say in this demonstration or kasa one hardship and corruption. Into the same Busagana for the Peace Council, the various the Ghana Bar Association, the Judicial Service, Nini Eke into Moon say hardship, no corruption. Did you mind way to the extent say the ordinary people, they are apolitical, one more call sad demonstration. They are apolitical. Mayanka say one more politics. They are ordinary Ghanaians. Okay. Some of them celebrities. One more country say ye celebrity. Ye say ye koto ade na ye betimi ye edwuma na ye betimi ade say ye betua bills na ye to aduane bibia ni wa ye betimi aye na ye kai tiri.
But I say Alhaji Mohammed Naziru and I think doctor na afi minya kwanam ne amanyofo ntoa your registration so
maame so mfa we fide kase so na mema ebusia omo ahwere omo de share yenu apeni ochama boaje me de menen no share mbribe okumase na o support your student front private university students association of Ghana then so oboan ye papa inteno na eja since then no ehuna na continue ne jumodi nti ebema ebusia no shede na yame so mfa ne currency minya on say oba program na u share enu no mienu ya na akoye den kakra some of the issues for instance metie list of ne submission no so pick it up on the night was a very good submission the intention but all ended no one say about security some of the things and I can say nyoma bi ho no mo a enye event but a process to determine say maybe a security zone or not a security zone to know it doesn't lie in the bosom of a demonstrator. Some laws are clear. However, no, acquire democracy into no. Ye say Nyoma be na ebe ya yebetumi ama yensa wo so a yebedi no ebe hye yen democracy no mo kena. Enu nti na ya na abrenyi na no. Say demonstrators and I say strike omo strike na de etu anamo a na yape designated area yape opini bi na okokoshi omo na omo ya one omo frustrations na no omo de akwa nipa na waji na if you know de akọ na de esese ho no mo nti and I have also heard some communicators they try to denigrate the Jubilee House, you know. You see, say yeah na den crampo a seat of government.
Of course.
And in security from realist perspective, you know, the nation is the most important element when it comes to security. But the liberals will argue and tell you that the people make up the nation, until they also matter. And not in democracy. Until so person will occupy Jubilee House. Na your catcher will say A, B, N, A, B, C, D. And you know, you cannot. I don't think say, yeah, man, kind of one go room and I say one go, yeah, to me, and you or your channel. So I want to see a more collaborative communication.
Okay.
At the end of the day, no. Senya alaji kan you know, ohia, ahochire, say corruption, perceived or real, no. You betumi ayeden, you betumi etuhu anamo. Inti yenhwe no what that aspect of yen democratic dispensation, you know. Na yenhu kwan ya be faso a ye be ma oyenni a woman. Of course, I mean the omani mo idin.
Well, if actually me okay, e mana kwa ko wie say police civilian engagement no for mana.
Ye betumi improve no
by form.
Form in a way, okay. And it is from the communication angle.
Okay.
And the already empire so on decentralized communication. Una I don't know ye can ye fan say na ye tifie. Se wo tifie na nsam koso ana se obi akwara bi dia. Na se okopeni anim na oenya akwanya enni peni na nkasa na wampo ne house na wankasa nkyere no a. Aye odi no ewie bone. Very simple. Nti communication no omo a se better fight dey omo akoshe eye public affairs department no they are trained people, they know how to communicate. And look, it is about the service reputation and na yeka wan sem sisi a send ya be ya the standards na ye raise no ebe wo ho and which you know what is your personal principles when you are a leader and what kind of leadership style and you're fixated. It has to be very dynamic and determined at every point in time. Send a bit of my institutions I work here. So I think, and I somehow, somewhere, I will agree with Alhaji Nasiru say, if I were IGP, to be frank with you, I will resign to save my reputation in a larger, because you see, yes, if I were in the position of IGP with all the issues that is going on right now, because you know what, if we don't take time, now say elections now, if the elections now it may not really. If we don't take time, we may not really be credible. Because of the size I take at this very point in time. Say, Ebimu Fili say, the IGP will prevent them, and Ebimu Fili say, the IGP will help them. With this kind of idea, they call elections, if we don't take time. So if I were him, I will not be at the point where Ekoseya, Yabeka say, Ekoseya.
Will you then advise President Akufo-Addo say, Unyino?
I'm not going to. I'm not in any position to advise. I have served before, okay. and I'm talking this point as a service person.
Okay.
What I say, and based on principles, minimum the principles. But if it is me, I'm telling you, at this very point in time, I will just go off the scene.
But I say, Dr. Sadiq Aduchum, a fellow, West Africa Center for Counter Extremism, and I'm just saying, I don't know, Komono. May children be a TV this year, the limited registration year, Seminole Ekes, according to the Electoral Commission, as of day 10 and then day 14, by Yesiatimia compile from day 1 to day 10, the Padodua Yetimi Achomo Edin. Also for actually 45,711 Edin, and Yetimi Ache. As we speak, out of day 10. Now, out of that, a move 52.9% a mema, 47.1% a ma. So, Anna, we share age now. Omoma registered to do out of the 45,000. 85.4% ɛyɛ mmɔbɔ na wɔdi mfinhyia from 18 to 20%. 18 to 20 years. Omo etimi register dodo out of day 10. Ɛyɛ mmɔbɔ na wɔdi from 18 years to 20 years. Omo form about 85.4%. 21 to 35 years for and so ɛyɛ 11.6%. 36 to 45 years for a 1.5%. 46 to 55 years a 0.7%. 56 to 65 years for a 0.2%. And 65, 75 and above 0.1%. It's your TV news are saying that day 10 no registration no aqua so shemwa and no especially more first timers no. I register Dudopa out of the 45,000 now or more at me I register no. Now one more at the guarantor system and a core eco register no. 63.09% and a use guarantor system. 63.09% and a use the guarantor system. And a 36.53% a use Ghana card. Then 0.38% and the passport echo a register. Now, issue bakoda so a year distance here man for a cover and some about district office one about betray wounding. Still a year issue because behunu krata bia honorable Crosby Mensah extra command electoral commission. No what catches a distance not still a critical problem. Is no response on the man here say or more ntimi ma district office in register no next year on register mo. So the issue is say anko friend me and register it means say district assembly elections no ntimi and to be Nazir.
Well, interesting statistics. The owo kakra say I was say yati and once say this whole exercise electoral commission na muntu bi a emra na ma no nkwan se wonkwaye emra no so ye pefe ekire se ne obetimi aye no ene se ne wontumi ye yen as NDC fo asem a ya kan be sin de na se emra ye de yesa exercise we ekire pefe okosi ya 91 ne mu a eye emra ebo no ho ban a wode edi sa adwuma we eka pepe se anamontu we utu a ewo se udu bibia obetwro din na twrodin no wo mea eye a yeto abawo ye nyina nso ye nim se yento abawo district offices now say yento abawo district offices na ye nyina nim se yeto aba ewo polling stations na ye bisa se denti na si Jemensa kwan se ankasania NDC for yasre asre feeling se mo se ombo ne hombody na se enye polling stations no kra no betimi abeye sa registration no a ye nka bimbom na ye cluster na at least ya ye no ye venza ye wo bibia e frɛ no miamia ye toto aba ayi assembly so ye electoral areas wo na oba electoral area no eno no ye nante irrespective of the fact that we call other regions no more to say northern region the upper east upper west even within the electoral area no and ye nante eketwa and distance no because of how scattered the villages are now enti eno so ena ye gina to say ya ye ne betimi aye bia yamfa twetwere asem yan ye bibia ye court say electoral commission sana muntu wi ene wutu ene mra no a ema okwan no ebobra court no ntie yen me no ekase afi na ya ma da no a ye bedi asem no na ya registration ufi hon so na wo beka ye fensen the fact say yan kotena ho keke ebi mo so sore esa nko court e de contempt ekoi send you see wo police for any demonstrators ya kasa anka police for no ne o metimi an say wo de contempt ani hu kwan so mo be chi wo na ye bisa police for nti anenti no man go electoral commission so aman say yɛde contempt akɔ yɛde case akɔ ne nyinaa no wontie na woyɛ nea woyɛ no ɛnɛ statistics no a apie no ɛde dwa bebree ɛka clearly say and there is only the Parliament of the Republic of Ghana that has saved this country from the mass disenfranchisement, disenfranchising of young people.
Okay.
The Parliament of Ghana now saving because anka the men's laws now what they call say anka yema no kwan on fan yes registration we no e ma ho kwan say yemfa Ghana guarantor system enye and then what say 63.09% of the people register with guarantor system. Far above half register with guarantor system. Not just say anka woman na woman to me and register no the men's position one.
Okay.
So clearly she was wrong just as she is wrong by the decision now what take say or no the Obenwo district offices there only about 168 who say district offices no more. Now who here no free wa yenhwe womu dodo no a womu register no 85% mbabu no womu di between 18 to 21
20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
Now confirming the fact is that for 2 years for 3 consecutive years. Now I will say electoral commission then one homeboarding registration of one awardee 18 years in 2020. One awardee 18 years in 2021. One awardee 18 years in 2023. 2022 and 2023. 1 year. So it's giving you the idea say babu no bebre womu register because na womu to me nya kwan emfa omudin emba we no now about the critical issues the issue of transportation and metie MPP for akasa I've listened to the director of elections for the MPP Nimako ka say abom ka bebri NDC for dodoano and omo akasa Crosby letter no.
Yeah, okay, Mama ready. This is a response from the Electoral Commission to Honorable Betty Crosby Mensah, Member of Parliament, Afram Plains North. I say, dear Honorable Crosby Mensah, petition against the Electoral Commission modalities for the registration of voters in the Afram Plains North constituency. I bring you greetings from the Electoral Commission. I write to acknowledge receipt of your letter on the above mentioned subject. The Commission has taken note of your concerns in the Afram Plains North constituency. We wish to inform you that the Commission will undertake registration in difficult-to-reach electoral areas, including yours, next year. We wish you the best. Yours faithfully signed, Mrs. Jane Mensah, Chairperson, Electoral Commission.
When did I say the Mensah or the laws no? What saying or the laws no? I nedia. Idea or pen or the laws no? And when you court no so. I mean, it is so obvious. It is so, and everything. It's so obvious. Yeah, the Electoral Commission call to say election na yeah and who sense. Yeah, my demands some who crying. No, no, no. Yamano crying. Yamano crying. Court to see you in Tian Sorenco or no, with Titia. But yet you know, him say, irrespective of what transpired, Yama pine. Especially our kids are very sensitive. Ghana phone na yɛ hwɛ live on TV no. Anka ya wo so we bibi a kyerɛ sɛ o pepepepe yo na bibi akɔ ne nim.
Okay. 30 seconds.
Lady here o ka ho asɛm. Me makoye djuma wɔ no constituency of Pram Plains no. Hwɛ I can tell you that the only major town Donkokro. Uvri Donkokro ma ni aka ni nyina wɔ nsuo no so. Donk megbedi beti ekyire akɔ ya fence villages ni bi. 10 hours won't you so 10 hours I won't you so answer you go to another event island now island no call you be na osign bar ape na oba ebe faka akọ the district office you how do you expect say youth enye and no Ghana voter card no enye ID card because of the introduction of Ghana card. First, no nanka ID card, no be also ID card for further transaction. Intina komodi omo so right now, I be party for Juma. Party for na also omo we. Esa say you beto aba.
But as Nasiru Mohammed, a member of the NDC National Communications team. Krobia.
because Alaji, and yet 138 district offices now 268.
268, sorry.
Across the country, yes. My main kind 1992 Constitution.
Okay.
Chapter 7. Chapter 7, over 46 now.
Okay.
Page 44. My lawyer to me a layman for United States. Or say, except as provided in this Constitution or in any other law not inconsistent with this Constitution in the performance of its functions, the Electoral Commission shall not be subject to the direction or control of any person or authority. This is the 1992 Constitution. LICI, they are not supreme than the 1992 Constitution. This is the Constitution. We are never Makayon. You get it? That is the basis for this discussion. So the Electoral Commission, our authority, our mandate, the constitutional mandate, to take certain decisions. And in any case, the internal law emra court to them. If obi a constitution, edi adwuma ma no, adwuma no if we say per the constitution no say was what the na adwuma no sa akwanya ne no akwan no so no de nam na akwan no so no nam na adwuma. At best, and then they say you better court to seek for clarification. That is the essence of courts. What you say? And until that is done, our court to be to me actually as a constitution because court need penny would to me on they interpreted these constitutional provisions. No you see, electoral processes, no elections, any home comedy, any home bibia na muntu in a process. And you think I call electoral commission, we have what we call Inter-Party Advisory Committee, IPAC. IPAC, you know, is not the creation of constitutional. Okay? Easy. Any political parties, major stakeholder, elections, and any processes, political parties. What you say? It's, you know, political parties need easy, no. And I to say, let's have a committee. Issues are, it borders on elections. Issues are, it borders on the well-being of political parties. Ye bet me ediako ahoni nyina ya bobo hu ye di hu kita hu ne ye hu ye nya hu pomasibre. What has been the position of NDC since Jim Mensah taking over? NDC so omo de omo nko IPAC because omo no hu ni say Jim Mensah ye MPP for electoral commission. Na agro na ye di no wo se homa ai field ne so homa park ne so e na wakogina park na chi na wo to abo ba park ne so. One I didn't want,
but there were other 4 political parties who are still present IPAC meetings. Almost the same concerns here NDC for areas.
I say that's fine. The American say the other parties can raise the concern, but the voice of NDC one. You and I, in him say those political parties may not have the same voice.
But
the voice of MPP, remember, and in any case,
and NDC for sure can was say. There should be some special preference before NPP and this when it comes to IPAC.
Because IPAC.
Because say political party be the same.
No, because even over football more. Treatment GFA the market of the house. And you know
but certainly NPP need so much.
But because even aside that, you know, I mentioned IPAC. IPAC making recommendations.
Sure.
Suggestions. IPAC decisions, you know. And yet automatic, and yet it does not compel you to say chinchina trying the IPAC cano a final.
Sure.
Aside the law, we have conventions. Conventions are not necessarily laws. What you say? It have been a presiding member over assembly in the assembly performance of the assembly functions. No, presiding member, you have what we call standing orders.
Yeah.
And local government act. I don't know the assemblies. But there were conventional ways, and over a period of time, are conventions. But conventions are not law. IPAC is there. Conventionally, political parties need using at their own convenience. Adhere to say there must be an IPAC. but it does not mean that IPAC suggested it binds on Yisi say onfa. You make a suggestion, Yisi be say suggestion na mo dey buy no. The merit and demerit, the cost implications. I mean, what you say, all this will come to play. Then the EC will make a decision on it.
Political parties any funding, electoral commission will funding from our budget.
If you look at your laws, political parties are supposed to be giving some financial support. Party be aqua elections no a certain percentage. We are filing. Oh no, because and any fans.
To a certain threshold, the best refund. But I'll see your mind no fund the political party. Said the mayor money for
that should be a topic for another discussion.
Yeah, but you see, the man say,
That's what I mean. Yes, but it's how far from me tell anyone so about.
I could have best all yet. On security is our IPAC in Article 46. Article 46 now okay. Situate IPAC in.
Your trap budget, your budget, your electoral commission. Also, the budget ain't me cover nationwide. Like ain't me and two registration centers be bring. Now you just are covering now the political parties. Send na director of elections are complaining. The same way now some MPs become because it's one found for now. One could register.
Yeah. No, I am a national officer of MP.
Yeah.
The whole of last week, I've been in Western North region. Yes. That is my region I'm supervising.
Yeah.
I've been to Sekiri also. I've been to Babieni. Mi Finzara ekwa kontobra ekwan bi amekofa so wanzara to.
And it can be our boy.
Enya sem ketwa. Miko bodi.
Nzara Kojaboso. Me beautiful town.
Oh yeah, it's a very nice town. Miko bodi Miko Jaboso. Miko ayi Swaman dadie so. Eko enchi saka two places in my region I'm here to visit. The Bia East and Bia West.
Okay.
The American say the stress, the financial constraints near the burden as a political. But open here outbreak. At the end of the day, you see not taking a decision. What's saying now, as a political party, you cannot fold your arms.
Okay.
What you say? A political party is just like an army. Anytime you just have to put yourself in readiness. I getting it. And this is what they are on the field. They are on the field. Alaji Nasiru, of preferred in Aba. If we are so much convinced, said the electoral commission, and Yamra Kwemu. Na yadi yehuni say emrano ni emrane kanya no de adwuma they could have taken a decision to abstain. They've not abstained. You know, I mean, we should not create an impression as if say they are not partaking. But they are fully in participation.
Okay.
Because that's the point I want to make.
Okay.
Now back to the figures.
1 minute now.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you see why I said. You see why I said. I've been indicated. You see why I said. I'm going to go back time now. You see the electoral commission. The electoral commission has a target. Initially, they were looking around 2 million.
Yeah.
But I mean, the moment I'm at 2 million, I mean, say it's not feasible.
Okay.
Because my call failed from day 1, day 2. Now me share numbers now about no.
Okay.
And I'm saying no Nnawotwi Yi. So I wasn't so much surprised when they came to say my review. Now they are looking at a figure around 1.35 million.
Yeah.
So betimi as at day 10 kwasi. Now your team register a NIPA 45,711.
Yeah.
Clearly, a mabuno no and are dominating. But okay, sir, exercise we are which category of population are targeting? People are paying the first time almost 18 years.
Yeah.
And those are already 18 years for some reasons into Omantimian register.
Yeah.
Now the good news is that the Electoral Commission, Dr. Srebo sure say from next year there is going to be continuous registration. It will be a kind of kuma.
Okay.
And also a guarantee system no. And I take 63.09%.
Yeah.
Not just say who say obi had the guarantor. Oh yeah, obi had the guarantor. Obi had the your political party. And I say umu ni da.
Yeah.
But you see, because ebinu mu nso afasa akwanya we so register minors ni ade. The American say na o ya minor.
Yeah.
Na obi be say okutu pa hwe because ene data ye fa ni ago first ni data ye move data okrom. But we say ene no ni 18 years, what the 15 years. Opanyini bi aba ma 2 cedi 20 cedi se ko register. O tina no pension and a water so.
Okay. But as a person, Krabia, Deputy Director of Communications, NDC, NPP, Amanyoko. Doctor, Sanema way nyina ka bewie yasumdie.
Yeah.
Amanfo anya kwant mi antwere mu di anto about how ne basawese bitimi aba. Security wise, a kwame na efa so situate sase we need me aso ano.
Menu akwesi nyame shaw na menu anu omo akasa yie. I think say from obiane point of view no, I think they have a case. Na yenhwe principles of democracy no enene dey we hin. Okay. One, we are looking at good governance. We are looking at justice. We are looking at equality. We share inclusion. And if you have credible elections. Yeah. Because Medinka can say the third wave of democracy no, they are G2 my hon say they kukumote the two abani the friends leaders. Na ansa na obetumi ayesa no so no. Say wo de amanfo no nyina mbra no mom ho kwan say obetumi exercise sa right no. Wo de omba on board. Inti what we are doing no inclusiveness na ye pese ye pese add on. I think say electoral commission no, you see at IPAC is good. Inti because we show mo na wo de consensus to ho na wo hu challenges na there no. Sometimes no mo ko betimi aboa. I'm a way to say no more. That is what I mean. That is the point I feel say also able do. What the budget are call? Let's say budget is 100,000. Okay, no, 100,000. Then to me, man, watch you say 2 million year. Friends, a crop year can. But when you no more din come on, bet me okay. Come many be first so bet me abo. And I think that they have their own way of doing things.
But I practice there when this number.
No, I'm say omo issues omo can say eh bi omo ba no make some suggestions isi no yen the emfa. I think say over the period that's what we are doing.
Doctor, Afaridia two omo for say.
I mean, I sure say Elijah dey be omo no my wo. Enti dia ye ka che friend say ye nua ye maame James and say. So omo challenges are genuinely they should communicate that to the Ghanaian people. Because at the end of the day, no constitution na mean no e kan no. Yen na constitution na yes atumi no. Enti beka che en say me hwa me sinto a me woni. Enti me ntumi ne say na kwan be na me fa so na woni omo susu ho a. I mean, I sure say even ahemfo na ade no kra no. So wotumi cut down kwan na woni omo kosusu ho a. They will have a way to help. You see, governance system no. I say ye tremu in such a way say me hu ni say MPP and NDC. I say me so obia ye involved. Yes, because I think that even the ahemfo no crowd here recent times are the way omo contribute and omo how kekana. When omo kono ko din komo say challenge near, I think they will have a way to support you. Enti no na ye beka say ye friends say ye maame on bie na komamu yie na on bie na apon yie na nsusu ne suggestions ebe ba nyina no onje ntum no nsem no hu dia ode adwuma no a ebetumi ade ebetumi ama ye friends say democrat because you see election issues no start free sambre yo so that pre-election management no process no ebi nie sankoye a you are likely to have a bad outcome.
Okay.
What I say, let's look at the democratic principles now. I mean, good governance, justice, equality, and all these credible elections. Credible elections is part of. I mean, this registration is part of that credibility of the elections now. Let's look at it from that angle.
So, electoral commission are raising concerns. We say, any areas ni nyina na obey here, lot of registration centers. Baby, we want to unya best ba kumienu bia you are good to go. Depend on the numbers na wo honum no. Numbers no constituency. E bi so e far reached. It's here na ono so e dwen say sembe bo ba ko ha na dem the nipa best 10 be register. Na me bo mienu wo ha na se nipa 100 be register. O se mani ko baby adodo be register no. Is the same ni nyina atego. Sene nka nanka ye piagum no ko se be wi na sabeda ne ka to man
ba ko se wonim se enunti I think say enunti na wo hwe offend in the minds of the framers of the constitution say afibia no ye bibi.
Okay.
Until or backlog. I think say the greater concern creating a backlog.
Oh, okay.
Sana mimi huno because say 2021, right? 2021, 2022, right? And 2023. That means that is 3 years. And I'm a boy. What I say, we creating our own backlog. Until we creating it, so for coin officer be ye free. Until we understand it means also we try offense or sentence. But say, to me, and I make us any communication.
Okay.
Then you know, you coin officer only amount for no building kitchen. It's engagement, and I think that is the best way to go. Yeah, engage. Let's engage because that thing is a process. Into what creative backlog, then I buy into creative backlog. Now, what was your challenge?
Okay.
And what is your challenge today?
O say Ghana for who that challenge?
O say you then a constitution na show say afibia no register na one register. Then na one year. That means once what you are what quote constitution na mebwa. Yes, nti say what quote there. Then nti o say quote no. Ma yehu e genuine. And you can show says I'm sure say more mutie no if obi episode take you on they can take you on per the constitution because that is mandatory for you to do. Nti then na one year. Na yehu we reasons na genuine. We will side with you. Because at the end of the day, no, a state coffers na be yard. Okay. And then say ya ho chen so e wo kakra. Aha, so we then know how to move forward.
Doctor, but I say, Yankopon shiro bibia nso onya abre e de hwe yen. My idea. So go so ehwe Nnawotwi Debia on Adom TV. Happy birthday and confirmer Emmanuel Ohini Jan. Former staff of Empire FM in Takrade in the UK and Abutu. Ya mention that no nyo kese kopem se obe kese pa. George, me da se.
Na say
maybe I know. Dey be next hour. I wish happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Okay, me dey Ghana come. Okay. Teach you mba.
I don't know propaganda.
I said yeah, catch yen say anka was say yes na you bet me ya dey back and only positive defiance.
Okay.
You defy all the obstacles now. You see, you say you to register.
Okay.
Now you out in our numbers.
But I say, but go see, a copy of very important for us. Minor registration. No, very
political party will represent.
Frank Walanyo, producer AC or Sarah. That's my director. Yami Aduma, I'll just send it. Ebe sa no dey share.